What are you doing?
I know.
Are you getting those chickens?
Brown likes to show it.
Lenny, you're silly. You're silly.
Hey, can we use
Get
this
those Chi-Chis.
more and add to our soup? I try if Moo and Batman likes it, and I'll check.
Look, I think she's coming back for more.
Want some? It's not working. You got scared. Free sugar! Come get your sugar! We can add those for the ingredients. Yeah. You chicken food. I'm the chef. Eating the sugar. They love sugar. Come get your sugar. It's for free.
They're following you. What are you doing?
Sorry, Mom.
Are you gonna build like Daddy? Are you gonna build something like Daddy? Daddy. Woohoo, Lenny! What? Are you driving the car? Say bye. Beep beep. Beep beep. Did I scare you? Beep beep. Say beep beep.
We're on the gas station. We need to get some grass.
Say beep beep. That was a truck. A truck.
Push the on button.
Ready, Lenny? Go!
Watch out from
What are you doing, buddy?
Okay. Come on.
Are you gonna jump?
Okay, come on. Let's go. Come on.
I'm too big.
Too big?
Yeah, I'm gonna finish the flower garden.
Gotta jump.
Carter's gonna jump?
Yes, gotta jump.
Okay. Where's Carter?
I know. It's cottage cheese.
Carter cheese?
Yes.
He's getting some cheese?
Got it. What's this?
Woohoo! Oh my goodness.
Look, it's hungry. Look, Mom, it's hungry.
Hungry?
Yes, it's hungry.
Can you do a flip?
Okay. Look, she's riding on the grass.
Beep beep. Vroom vroom.
Hold on the handle.
You're jumping?
Yep.
Careful.
My face is poking.
Vroom vroom. Evening,
On 5
everyone.
February
We have been getting work
2015,
done around the house all day. And I'm really excited because I finally got pillows for my couch. So we are getting ready to cook some dinner. Been organizing. They're supposed to be helping their brother clean their room. Are you guys helping pick up?
Where's the water? Carter was not helping me.
Help clean up.
Okay.
Now.
I was cleaning by myself.
Excited. I've been wanting throw pillows for my couch for a really long time. And then this weekend we've been working on a bench. I don't know if you can see it out the window. I have a little bench that I've been making out of pallets. I started it last summer and then I started painting it this weekend. So hopefully tomorrow's nice so I can go out and start painting again. And then this weekend we also bought a pie. I have a little bit of a sweet tooth and I could just eat pie all day long, and that's all that's left. And this pie is huge. Like, it's not a small pie. And I've pretty much handled eating it all by myself. So tonight we are making turkey tacos. Baby's still napping. Let's go see if she's awake. See if we can wake up later. Lenny. Lenny. Hey. Time to get up, sleepyhead. Hi. Did you have a good nap? Hi, sweet girl. Did you have a good nap? You look awfully comfy in there. Hi, cat. You ready to come out? There we go. Oh, it's time to wake up from your nap. Here we go. Hi, baby.
Milo.
Milo's cleaning his room. Oh, open the gate. And go see. Oh. Hi. Hi, sweet girl. You hear Milo? What? Are you still tired? What are you doing sucking that finger? What are you doing sucking that finger? What are you doing? Lenny.
Papa.
Bubbles, but you're supposed to eat your dinner. Can you eat, please?
Papa. Mom, can I go get my Legos? Because they're...
How's your dinner, buddy?
What was that?
You like salad? Milo?
Cat, it always does that. Yeah.
Milo.
No.
You don't?
I'm not.
You don't like salad?
I'm not.
Hey. Milo Anthony. I see you. You're so... Clearly you like your corn on the cob. Is it good?
Yeah. And Ava has 2 bunny ears.
You got corn in your teeth?
Yeah, there's 3 in my...
Carter Thomas!
Carter! Wow, I just ate that. I eat plants out there. I wish, hi, Halloween.
Lenny, honey, can you eat?
Hey, Mom. At least Mom's brother likes pumpkin pie.
Try some chicken. Lenny,
Mom.
try some chicken.
Mom, I saw some small
You are
red
gonna
flowers.
dump.
Blue flowers.
Is that good?
Do anybody know how to balance this? When there's
Is that good, Lenny?
When there's a lot of flowers, I'm going to pick them and put them in the vase. What is a vase? Seriously, where do you put flowers in? Okay, one. I can't eat these plants back there.
This is what Lenny does when she's done eating something. She takes it from her plate and sticks it on mine. Are you all done with that?
Oh.
What's next? Lettuce.
Lettuce in the sky. No!
Seriously?
Salad in your face. Salad in your... That's what you get. And she said, I don't think you're supposed to say that.
You like the chicken?
Yeah. But the other word, can we say
This is
ass?
pretty good. Do you know what's on it? Carter Thomas.
Can we say that?
No.
No? It's
No.
a bad word. Good job.
Thank you.
Who's there? Tom. It's not Tom. Knock knock. Who's there? Knock knock. Who? Who's there? Jimmy. I'm not doing that one. I'm doing something different. I'm not knock knock. I'm not.
Who's there?
Who's there? Jimmy. Jimmy who? Jimmy. Paka-ora!
Who's there?
Oh, I have an idea. Knock knock.
Who's there?
I have Jimmy.
Jimmy who?
I'll get my new what do you call it? Joke books.
Okay.
I'm going to get it. Knock knock. Who's it? Wah. Wah. Who? Who?
Say wahoo.
Wahoo. Do you? This dog won't leave me alone. Know how? Carter? No, Mother. What are you excited about? My turn. You need to learn how to read. This is my book.
Okay, Milo's turn.
My books.
Let him try.
Fine. Can I get some more milk?
Yeah.
What are you looking at? Knock knock. Who's there? Knock knock. Who's there?